In this video, we will show you how to get your Common Ninja widget HTML code, which you need if you want to integrate a widget into your website. There are two ways you can get it. In both of them, you need to save your widget first. Press the Save button, create a new project, or save to an existing one. Once you've saved your widget, at the top right corner you will see the Add to Website button, represented by this symbol. Click on it. In the window that opens up, you will see the code. Simply click on the Copy button next to it. For the second method, go to your dashboard and find the widget you want to add to your website. Next to it, click on this symbol. In the window that appears on the screen, you will see the HTML code. Now copy it and then paste it to your website. And that's it. As you see, it's super easy and shouldn't take you long. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, press the bell to get notifications. Thanks for watching!